So I was installing Windows on a phone system like 2 days back, and I came across this issue saying that Windows cannot be installed on the selected disk, as the selected disk is an MBR partition. Windows can only be installed on a GPT disk. Now let me break this down for you guys. MBR, which stands for Master Boot Record, and GPT, which stands for Grid, did I pronounce that right? Grid Partition Table. These are two different partition schemes that are used in managing and analyzing data on storage devices like hard drives. Now, MBR is compatible with older versions of Windows like Windows XP, Windows Vista, but GPT is compatible with the recent Windows like Windows 7, Windows 8, 10, as well as Windows 11 64-bit. So now what brought this issue was that the disk, that of my friend's system, came with a partition of the MBR, and I'm trying to install the recent version of Windows 10, which is not compatible with that of the MBR partition, which I've explained earlier. That was why that issue came up. I was able to solve it by converting the MBR version to the GPT version of the hard disk. That was what I did, and I was able to install Windows successfully in that hard drive. And that's why I'm making this video, to show you guys how to convert an MBR partition on a disk to a GPT partition on a disk for you to be able to install the latest version of Windows. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. What we want to do now is to press Shift F10 to bring out CMD, and then we want to go to our disk path by typing disk path, and then wait for it to switch to the disk path. Then I want to list the whole disk in the system. We have disk 0, which is our main hard drive, and disk 1, which is our bootable. So we are selecting disk 0, that's where we want to convert. After selecting disk 0, then we want to clean it. I will advise we back up all our data on the hard drive, because this process is going to format everything in the hard drive. So I advise we back up all data in the hard drive to prevent loss of data. After cleaning, we wait for it to be successfully clean. And then after cleaning, we are converting it from MBR to GPT by typing convert GPT. After successfully converted, then we now exit it, and then we close the windows of our CMD, and then we now start our installation process. So let's see if it's going to work this time. Okay, we accept. We should go through the terms and conditions, and then we select. I apologize for the quality of the video. Select what we want to install and next, and boom, it worked. And that was how I was able to solve this problem. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video.